Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Lora with Stitching with Lora. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Thursday. Well, today as you can see we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in the bags. Well, if I can get it to cut. Didn't think there was a problem. Let me get it out of its bag. Okay, this bag comes from the VIPCrossStitch store. They have any discount codes, any specials, or if I have any, they'll be right in here. And this is part 1 of my review. Part 2 will be next Thursday. So let's see what we have here for today. Okay, I'm going to start with this one, and let me put these scissors away before I knock them off. And this one is a 70 by 55, was $25.84, and it is by a different company I've never had before. I believe it's the Chin Hong, and that's QIANHONG company at VIPCrossStitch. So they're starting to have different companies that they have. This comes in a plastic bag. You can put it back in here, maybe. I don't know how that'll work, but usually it doesn't go so well unless it's a very small pattern for me. So we'll just set that up, but it is a nice bag. Let me flip it over and make sure everybody is right side up. Is that not gorgeous? Look at the pink trees and the pink flowers. We even have, I think, oh, nope, those are birds. I thought they were butterflies at first. We have birds in the distance. This is kind of a pixelated picture, but I'll have one from the website anyway. Beautiful, beautiful colors. It's 187 by 258 stitches. Oh, everything's on here. Hopefully there's a paper pattern to come. We'll see. It has 56 colors, and we will match this to the canvas to see if everything matches or if there's different symbols. Kind of a stiff cross stitch here. Well, this is all different. Hang on. Does come with a pair of snips. You know, I was actually looking around the YouTube, and I was looking at how they make, it's a confectionery that they make in Japan, and they were using, and they make it into, like, they like layer it and everything. And they take snips like this to cut out the little various parts on it. So, I mean, they look like this, but I'm sure they're higher grade than this. But, yeah, I just thought that was interesting that they were using that for that. Okay, it does come with the needle threader and, oh my goodness, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 needles in this. Very nice. We have some extra skeins of thread, and they are marked with the thread card number. But beautiful blues. Oh my goodness. I'm just going to set that aside for 2 seconds. I'm trying to get to see. Oh, please. There is no paper pattern for this. This is all one page, so there is no paper pattern. Okay. Let's take a look at the beautiful, gorgeous, stunning colors. Gorgeous purples. And we have no DMC numbers on this at all. Kind of a different company, huh? beautiful blues, oranges. We have this lovely a deep rose color. I almost said magenta, but not real clear on that. Beautiful colors, nice and soft threads though. Ooh, we have turquoises and more purples over here. We have some white. There aren't, I got another kit like this where there was no DMC number. That's weird. Weird. I'm sorry. But beautiful, stunning, vibrant colors. Ugh, looks like a frickin' rainbow, man. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. Now I did notice there is a sticker on the back. It says Q771 on that. Just on the first one. 56 colors. And let me fold that up. But yeah, I'm not real happy with the fact that there is not a paper pattern to this, but it looks okay. Now this paper key, there's that Q771, so everything matches there. And it says Q771 here as well, so all that goes together. This paper key does match all the ones on the canvas, so don't have to worry about matching it to a paper pattern. I'm just going to set that out of my freeway. And it is serged. Is it? Yep. It's serged all the way around. So I hope this won't be too pixelated. Beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. Very well printed. Nice, big, easy to see symbol since it is an 11 count. Fold it a little bit. We have some shading here. You can see all the rivers of color. There's bigger areas. There's not overwhelmingly bigger areas like, oh, let's just make that all one color. No. Very nicely done. Look at those. I'm going to call them roses because I can't remember what they're supposed to be. But nice shading that's going to go on around those. So very nicely done. $56 color. I don't know where I thought there was more or less. Holy cow. But this is kind of stiff, but it will break down. So it's not one of those that, you know, springs back to life. Which is nice. I like that. I don't mind it being stiff as long as it's going to break down. But beautiful printing on the canvas. That's awesome. Well, let me see if I can measure this. I'm trying to get it to cooperate. Hold, please. All right. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Nice wide margins. Real big key. So, I mean, you can see all the symbols real clear. 69 centimeters or a little over 27 inches by 54 centimeters or 21 1/4 inches. The actual picture size is 17 inches or 43 1/2 centimeters by 59 centimeters or 23 1/4 inches. So not too big. It's kind of lap size. It's not overwhelmingly huge. Just kind of wide, but yeah. And this would be a great kit for a beginner because it is just straight cross stitch. There's no back stitch. You can put as much back stitch into it as you want. Just absolutely stunning. The way it's printed, it's very dark, very easy to see. Not overly dark, but yeah, very nice. Now we will have the other two kits next week on part 2 of my review. And VIPCrossStitch, thank you for sending me this beautiful kit. The threads are just outstanding. As color-wise, and as softness, so I gotta add that. I would say it's not a bad kit. I would say it's a good kit. The only thing I would change is give everybody a paper pattern. Just saying. That would be the only thing that I would change about that kit, because everything else was pretty top-notch. Thank you, VIP, for this beautiful kit. And VIPCrossStitch has only stitching things. So they have beaded cross-stitch, silk cross-stitch. They have regular counted and printed cross-stitch. They have lots of tools and crafts, and they're getting more and more different companies as they go along. So I like that part. And let's see, what else can I tell you about them? They have free shipping over $69 at their store. I'm not sure about foreign shipping, so there should be a thing at the top about that. VAT. I don't know if I want to call it a tax. I'm not sure, what that is. All right. Thank you for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. We are going to start this afternoon, so join me at 1 Mountain Standard Time, USA, and we will start this beautiful cross stitch. Thanks for watching today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.